when we walk infinity. Say the hunters, them dogs be spinning. Real dope boy ain't charging no car. New G-Wagon, she already got. Real grown woman, she.
Okay, good morning vlog. We're on the way to the ferry. We're gonna drive the ferry and go to Fort Morgan. $50 fine.
For what?
I'm just playing. Rena. Anyway, we're going to drive on the ferry from Dauphin Island to Fort Morgan, and we're gonna see what's over there, and we may go out to eat and stuff, because you need to use Google Maps. It ain't never gonna steer you wrong. Type in maps.
At first we started out real cool, taking me places I ain't never been. But now you're getting comfortable, ain't doing those things you did no more. You're slowly making me pay for things your money should be handling. And now you ask to use my car, drive it all day and don't fill up the tank. And you have the audacity to even come and step to me, ask to hold some money from me until you get your check next week. You're trifling, good for nothing type of brother. Silly me, why haven't I found another? A baller, when times get hard, need someone to help me out, instead of a scrub like you who don't know what a man's about. Can't pay my bills, pay my telephone bills.
Pose, girl, let me see you. Well, we have on our red shirts today. We had them on the other day, but we have a washer, so these are fresh and clean. We're gonna get some photos while we're on the ferry, and we're gonna have a good time. It's not open. Oh, this has ice cream. Our cars are lined up here. You ready? Oh, the aquarium is over there.
The what?
Aquarium. Hey, Piper. I'll see you later. I love you.
Oh,
All right, we've made it to our next destination. We just drove about 30 minutes from when we got off the ferry to Lulu's, and we are about to see what's up. Hello. Good, how are you?
You gonna fall.
Wake me up. Everybody say hey. That's all you wanted? You don't have nothing to say?
Will you give me something to eat?
What you gonna get to eat?
Hamburger.
Right. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Can we cheers?
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers to our
Cheers, everybody. Yeah. All right.
All right. Cheers to good things.
I'll try it again, man. Yeah, I got it. So.
I saw you.
Yeah, you got it. Go ahead and do it.
I told you you were gonna be the first one to get it.
Back up. Back up.
a single island. And we didn't go back home, but we're going back home. And we're on the boat. We don't want to. The dreams that you had you could do so you.
Yes, your papa. Everybody. In DAUPHIN Island. We're in the pool. Came from the beach. Turn around. Hi, Nana. Dash on. Oh, he's so crazy.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap. And your flex OD, and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Where they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Through the coupe at 17 on guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin'. Yeah, you got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag, in a Birkin. Known in the vibe, put the work in. Lost and all. You got it, girl, you got it.
On the way to the ice cream shop, because every time we go it's closed because they be lying on the website. Do you have anything to say to the vlog? How has the trip been so far? They get copyrighted.
The trip has been amazing. A lot of rest and relaxation, but also a lot of fun and entertainment. We did an excursion yesterday.
Oh yeah, y'all are gonna see the excursion.
We did our ferry ride from Dauphin Island to Fort Morgan. It was pretty neat.
They don't do the Jeep wave down here.
Some of them do, some of them don't. It just depends. But whatever. So we're just enjoying life, living.
Yep, making memories.
Vlogging.
Yeah. Hello, how are you? This one. This look good. This is the chocolate peanut butter shake from the ice cream shop down the street. Say hey to the camera.
Hey, we're making cupcake for Mommy Queen.
Wait. Cut the camera.
We're making cupcakes today for Auntie Queen. Yeah, and they're throwing parties. Hey, today we're making some cupcakes.
Billy. Calm down. Hold on, baby. Hold on.
Hey, here's the thing. I'm a foot in.
Everyone hold on to the chair.
No, I know this sounds crazy, but we got these videos. Hey, Bentley, I really love because I want to make something. Me and Mason. You want?
When the drink kick in, she was sexy. Flexing on the ground, made her edgy. Ass kick in on the worst day. Quick, coming, girl, you know it, it's your birthday. Hey, whose birthday? Put your hand up, you get a birthday. She bad enough, she get a car today. Get that dash, get that dash.
Okay, the kids just finished making the cupcakes. Nana is making quesadillas for dinner.
Oh my goodness. Oh, don't hurt him. Oh. Jazz, you got that on the vlog.
What are you doing, girl?
Vlogging.
Hey, come from this side, Jazz. Hit from this side.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my God. That looks so crazy right there.
You want hard taco?
Oh, man, dude.
What do you rate the taco night?
Yo, taco night is off the chain. It always is something special when it comes to Jasmin, Nicole Harris. What are you doing? She always knows how to do everything first class. And if you aren't subscribed,
I'm here.
you are missing out on something serious. Always thinking about what you guys need. So just take the time out, man. Don't cost no money. Like, comment, and subscribe in the bottom. And she gonna throw you a shout out when you do that. So, hey, listen, you better get on board. Let's look here. This is homemade, baby. Homemade. You need to be here.
Here's the chef,
Hey.
and that's mine.
I get me in the van and we're going home, and I eat some hot dog, and we're going home, but I'm riding in the van and Papa gonna be the driver.
Right. Did you have fun at the beach house?
Yeah,
Say it's time to go.
it's time to go. The camera looks beautiful.
Okay, we're packing up to leave the beach house.
Hey,
Yes. Everyone say bye to the beach house.
Bye, beach house. We miss you. We'll see you next year. Until then, like, comment, and subscribe. Jasmin, Nicole, Harris.
Hi, Dustin. Any last words for the vlog?
The last one I want to say is it's important.
Hey, to all my brothers, we had a wonderful, I mean wonderful time. Thanks to my daughter, my brother-in-law, my wife, all the kids. We love y'all. Peace out.
Peace.
They lock the door and we walk infinity. Say the hunters, them doors be spinning. Real dope boy ain't charging no car. New G-Wagon, she already got. Real grown woman, she